What's up guys? In this video, you are going to learn my DIY lighting setup that you can use for studio lighting, for photography, for YouTube videos, for whatever your needs are. This is a very cheap and easy do-it-yourself setup. All right, so I'm right here in my office with my DIY lighting setup. So this is the exact setup I use. I'm gonna break it down for you right here. So what I've got is I've got a canned light, and I'll throw up some links for these lights that you can check out. But all it is just a canned light that you could get on Amazon or at a hardware store. They're not very expensive at all, but the key is to get one that has the clips on it. So this one has like these really strong clips on it. And what I do is I clip these to some speaker stands. I have like DJ speaker stands that I use, but you could clip these to a lot of things. You could clip this to like the side of your bookshelf, or you could clip this to like the edge of a table. Like there's a lot of ways you could clip this. So you don't need to go out and buy fancy lighting stands. Just find a piece of furniture that you could clip this to, maybe like a ladder. The next thing you're gonna need is a light bulb. So I've got right here, I use LED light bulbs. So I'll throw up a little image right here for you of the light bulb that I'm using, but I think the secret is LED. They don't get hot, which is key because you don't want to burn the paper that you're gonna use, which I'll talk about in just a sec. But LED bulbs also do last a very long time, so that's another good thing about it. And you can get the bright white version. So you got your LED light bulb. You've got your can light. Really, that's simple. Plug straight into the wall. Clip it onto wherever you want. Now, this is my last secret here for DIY lighting. Your light might be too harsh. You might need to soften your light. And if you don't buy a dimmer can light, which are a lot more expensive, I don't buy a dimmer one. I just use parchment paper. So this is just like parchment paper that you could buy at like a grocery store. And what I do is I just layer it until I get the desired softness. So when you see like those fancy photography like box lights and they have the fabric over them, it's essentially doing the same thing. So it's how I do it is I cut out squares of parchment paper, I bend it around the light, and then I just use like a clothespin and I clip it to the edge of the light frame, just like that. And then you just flatten it out, and there you go. Now you've got yourself a DIY light. I'm gonna plug this in for a sec so I can show you. Boom. There you go. It's got a nice soft cover to it. It helps diffuse the light so it's not so harsh in one spot. And I had to set up like 2 of those over there in my studio, and you're ready to go. DIY lighting, super cheap, guys. I'll throw up some links to the materials that you can use to get all the clothespins, paper, whatever you need for this setup. If you like this lighting setup, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. It's the lighting setup I use for all my videos. Super cheap, super easy, guys. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.